Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you are great. Hope you all are fine. Right now I'm not feeling so great. I have a cold. I had my birthday a few days ago and I was sick in bed all day. Like my village people really came for me. Like the day before my birthday I got really sick, and then my birthday I stayed at home all day because I just couldn't move, and I still have like flu and that. So this video might sound weird, or I might sound weird in this video. Just pardon me guys, I'm not feeling well, but YouTube is like my job now, so it needs to be done, you know. So, and it's a new year, you know, I'm trying to be more consistent. So yeah, in today's video guys, I'm going to be sharing my opinion on the whole YouTube monetization issue. So yeah, so just get comfortable. This is not going to be a long video. I'm just going to share my opinion and how I feel about the whole situation. So yes, so if you don't know, I am a small YouTuber, right? I have been doing YouTube for a while now, on and off. I'll say I only started taking YouTube serious last year, and even at that I wasn't really consistent, posting videos here and there. So I've been on YouTube for a while. It's just on and off, but I'll just say I just started taking it serious last year. So the first thing, when I started taking YouTube serious and when I started looking into YouTube, the first thing I read about is that you can monitor, because I know before you can monitorize your videos as long as you don't have copyright, whatever. You can monitorize your videos, right? So, and I created like ages ago, like I created an AdSense account. I don't remember my details, to be honest, but yeah, ages ago I created an AdSense account and all that. And even though I wasn't making any money off YouTube because I wasn't consistent, I still had that account. And yeah, so when I started taking YouTube serious, I realized you can actually make a lot of money on YouTube. But however, as a small YouTuber, in order for you to start monetizing your video, you need, I think you need 10,000 views, right, in total to start monetizing your videos. So I was like, okay, you know, that's not bad, that's okay. But that didn't really push me, because to be honest, I'm not on YouTube for the money. I'm more on YouTube because I love it, and because I'm really trying to build a brand outside of YouTube. So that's the main reason why I'm on YouTube. So the 10,000 K views wasn't, it was like a small motivation, but it wasn't the main motivation for me to record videos all the time. But I was actually looking forward to 10K views. Like each time I'll be looking at it, I'm like, okay, I'm soon to 10K views and that. So actually looking forward to it, and I feel like I would have reached 10K views if I was a lot more consistent. But because I'm not, obviously I haven't reached it yet, but I'm so close to it, so I'm really grateful for that. But obviously they brought the old rule, the old new monetization rule, was it not last 2 weeks or last week, I don't know. But the new rule in regards to 4,000 hours of total views and 1,000 subscribers, sorry. Now my whole feeling in regards to that is, honestly, for me, people were making a big deal out of it, and they're currently making a big deal out of it. But for me, it's actually not that bad, because nothing good comes easy, you know. You have to work hard for it. And if you want to be on YouTube and you really want to make money off YouTube, and you really want to be a big YouTuber or whatever, you need to work hard for it, you know. Like I feel like 1,000 subscribers is not a lot, you know, and 4,000 hours of views in a year, not even a month, in a whole year, is actually not that bad. And obviously I want to grow on YouTube. Everyone wants to grow on YouTube, but that is just a small motivation in regards to being a YouTuber and recording videos and putting videos out there and editing and all that. That is just a tiny motivation. Why? Because I'm not on YouTube because of the money, right? I'm not recording videos because I want YouTube to pay me. No, I'm recording it because I do, honest to God, I do enjoy being on YouTube. Like, if it's something that I can do, I can quit my job for and just do for the rest of my life, I will. However, YouTube is hard work. It's really hard work. Like, I enjoy recording, but the hard part of YouTube is editing your videos, because the standard on YouTube now is like so high. Like, you can't afford to just put any video out there. Like, the standard is so high. People want to see quality, and your editing game has to be on point, you know. So anyways, in regards to the whole new YouTube rule in regards to monetization, for me it's actually not a big deal. It should be some sort of motivation for you. I feel like it's only going to be a problem for you if you're on YouTube just to make money, you know. And if you don't have 1,000 subscribers and you're not getting 4,000 views in a year, I feel like you should still have a 9 to 5, or you should still have a regular job that you're earning an income from, you know. Your whole life or your whole income should not be based just on YouTube or how much YouTube is going to pay you. If you don't have 1,000 subscribers, or you're not able to get 4,000 views in a whole year, YouTube shouldn't be your at this moment, YouTube should not be your main job. You should still have a job where you're earning income and you're making money, so you can use that money to invest in your YouTube career, so that once you get to the point of being a popular YouTuber or a big YouTuber, then you can quit your job and then do it full time. Honestly, for me, the new YouTube rule is actually not a big deal, you know. For me it's not a big deal. It's just a small motivation. It's only a problem if the main reason why you're on YouTube is to make money. And a lot of people are doing sub for sub as well, because they want to get to 1,000 subscribers. Honestly, for me, sub for sub does not work. Like, if I like your channel, I will check it out and I will subscribe. Honestly, if you're one of my subscribers right now and you're only subscribing because you think I will subscribe to your channel, or you want me to subscribe to your channel, honestly, you can subscribe. You can unsubscribe right now, because I want people on my channel, right, who are going to watch my videos, who are going to like my videos, who are going to be consistent on my channel, you know. And if you know this channel is not for you and you're subscribed and you don't know why you're subscribed, honestly, you can unsubscribe now. Because for me, the numbers, it's good. Big numbers is good. It's good to have 1,000, 2,000 subscribers. It's good. However, if you're just on my channel but you're not watching my videos, there's no any sort of engagement, nah, I don't want it. Like, if I'm only going to have 30 subscribers and the 30 subscribers are going to watch my videos, like it, leave a comment, and that's fine. I love it. If I can only engage with 30 of my subscribers, in fact, that would be so I'll be so happy with that, other than people that subscribe to my channel but don't watch my videos. So as much as I want like huge subscribers and lots of views, if you're subscribed but you don't watch my videos, then there is no point. Honestly, there is no point being subscribed, and that's the honest truth. So anyways, that's all I have to say about the new YouTube monetization rule. I think the 4,000 views and 1,000 subscribers is a fair amount. It's actually a fair amount. It's actually not a big deal. A lot of people were making it out to be like, wow, YouTube is so mean to us, YouTube this, YouTube that, YouTube don't care about us. No, it makes sense. Nothing in life life comes easy, guys. Nothing comes easy. You have to work hard for it. You can't, even at work, even 9 to 5, you know, they expect some level of commitment or some level of achievement. If you're not giving your all at work, you will be called into a meeting and they will give you a warning that, look, you need to pull your socks up, you know, you need to do this, you need to do that. We're not seeing your commitment. And that's life, you know. So if you're not going to put your all into YouTube, or you just feel like, okay, let me just go on YouTube because I want to make money, you're on the long tail. So honestly, for me, I think it's a good idea. So yeah, so that's all I want to talk about in this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As I said, if you really enjoy my content and you enjoyed this video, click that subscribe button down below. If you honestly know that you're not going to watch any of my videos again, please do not subscribe. I really want subscribers that would watch my videos and would really engage with me. So yeah, so if you feel like what I'm saying is the truth, give this video a thumbs up. Oh yeah, and there's a new thing I'm doing on my channel. It's comment of the week. I'm going to pick a comment of the week for my channel, just one comment, and I'm going to share with you guys. I'm going to leave the link to the channel down below. It's just a small thing that I'm doing on my channel. It's just my own way of showing appreciation. I really appreciate your comment. Thank you so much for being on my channel, for watching my video, and for leaving a comment. It means a lot. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.